In this video, I'm going to show you how to uncapitalize text in Word, whether you have accidentally typed in all caps or received a document that needs some formatting help. We have got you covered. So let's start the video. To change capitals to lowercase in Word, open your Microsoft Word document. Here we have some text in all caps that we want to change to lowercase. So the first step is to highlight the text that you want to uncapitalize, or you can select whole document by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard or Command+A if you are using Mac. With the text selected, click on the Home tab in the Word ribbon. In the font group, you will see a change case icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select lowercase from the options. With all the text in lowercase, you can select sentence case to capitalize only the first letter of each sentence. So that's how to uncapitalize text in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.